Sadly, back pain is all too common nowadays. Our daily lives are structured in a way that can make our back pain worse. Like having to sit in front of a computer all day or simply not having the time we need to focus on back pain relief. Back pain is uncomfortable, and it can even keep you from doing things you love when it becomes overwhelming. There are lots of methods for treating pain, but finding an effective or healthy long-term solution is an individual journey. Here we have 5 of the best lifestyle changes for treating back pain. Number 1. Practicing mindfulness. While pain is a physical phenomenon, some of what you feel can be related to how your mind is processing that physical pain. Back pain can also strain your mental and emotional health, as it keeps you away from activities you love. It can even just be a constant source of frustration. Sometimes cognitive therapies can help you endure pain better and create a better mood for addressing your pain. Consider taking meditation classes or learning physical practices like yoga or tai chi to put yourself in a better headspace to ease the pain. Number 2. Treatment by a physical therapist. Physical therapy has become a popular way to overcome all kinds of pain. Its non-invasive and non-surgical approach to fixing ailments appeals to many people. Physical therapists can help you overcome back pain with various exercises and stretches to strengthen your core and other key muscles. The best part about physical therapy is that it's tailored to you and your body. You don't have to worry about straining your back even more, as a therapist creates a plan designed just for you. So, contact your doctor or physical therapist to closely collaborate on your personalized treatment plan for the fastest road to recovery. Number 3. Switching up your diet. Remember the saying, "You are what you eat." It's true that the food we eat has such a huge significant impact on the way we feel. Consider looking at your diet and eliminating inflammatory foods, like processed foods high in trans fats or food with lots of refined sugar. Sometimes these foods can make our pain worse, but adding a few anti-inflammatories, like tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, or olive oil, can help ease inflammation and pain, aiding in back pain relief. Diet could also contribute to back pain since maintaining a healthy weight relieves pressure from your spine. Watch some of our videos on building up immunity and living a healthy lifestyle. Are you enjoying the video? Then please, give it a like and share it with your friends to support the channel. Number 4. Moving often. Making sure you're regularly exercising and moving is an excellent way to relieve back pain and prevent it. We often sit for long periods, causing back pain. Getting up and moving around, even just to grab a glass of water, can help prevent that stiffness from sitting and relieve pain. When exercising, try to focus on strengthening your core muscles and around your hips to avoid back pain. However, make sure to consult a doctor before you begin any workout. Number 5. Changing your posture. Similar to making sure you're moving around throughout the day, ensuring that you're sitting in a correct and healthy position is equally important. When standing, you should have your pelvis level, with your spine straight and weight distributed evenly between your feet. More importantly, when you have to sit for long instances, make sure you're doing it right. Pick a chair with good lumbar support to help with good posture. Your hips and knees should be level, with your feet flat on the floor, and your elbows should be at a right angle if you're typing. Keeping your posture in check can help prevent back pain or keep the existing problems from getting worse, and it's such a small change to make in your day. Back pain can feel like an overwhelming toll on your life, but you're not alone. These tips are a great way to be proactive about back pain. If your back pain persists or worsens, consult a doctor who can work with you for a personalized back pain relief treatment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for amazing healthy lifestyle tips. Check out our other videos to follow a healthy lifestyle and see how your body feels healthier and stronger.